Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making spiced caramel sauce. This sauce is so delicious on any autumn dessert like a crumble or a pie. I also love it just drizzled on vanilla ice cream. You want to begin by adding some heavy cream to a heatproof bowl, and then you add in ground spices. I'm using cinnamon, ginger, cardamom and cloves. Now I just warm the cream up slightly for about 30 seconds in the microwave, and then I stir it to combine it with the spices. In a medium saucepan over medium-low heat, add in granulated sugar. Now you want to stir it gently with a wooden spoon while it melts. It'll first clump together but gradually melt into this deep amber brown sugar syrup. If you've heard that you shouldn't stir sugar when making caramel, that's just for a wet caramel. This is a dry caramel where I haven't added any water while melting the sugar, and in this case, stirring is fine. Just take your time when melting the sugar and don't let it go too dark or the caramel will be bitter. Once the sugar has melted, switch to a wire whisk and then add in cubes of room temperature butter. You can do a few cubes at a time and whisk them in. Start whisking straight away while you do this and don't stop until all the butter has melted. It'll make this really thick caramel. Then once the butter has completely melted, pour in the cream mixture and keep whisking. Take extra care here because the cream's going to make the caramel bubble and rise. You want to keep whisking until it's a nice cohesive caramel. Finally, we're going to add some salt to balance the sweet. Leave it to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before pouring it into a jar. It's going to thicken more as it cools down. The full recipe is in the description below, and if you make it, I would love to know. If you want the printable version, you can go to my blog, bakingwithbutter.com.